What if the very first verse of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam revealed Sri Lalita Devi as the source of all creation, wisdom, and protection?
श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
Let's discover its beautiful meaning. This shloka begins with Shri Mata, the loving mother of the entire universe. She is Shri Maharagi, the supreme queen who governs all creation with compassion and justice. Seated upon the glorious divine throne, she is the highest ruler of the cosmos. The verse further says that Devi manifested from the sacred fire of pure consciousness, representing infinite knowledge, divine energy, and eternal truth. Finally, it tells us that every action of Devi is dedicated to protecting righteousness and guiding her devotees on the path of Dharma. Meditating on this first shloka inspires devotion, inner strength, peace, and trust in Sri Lalita Devi's grace. As we begin the sacred journey of the Sri Lalita Sahasranamam, may she bless us with wisdom, protection, prosperity, and spiritual growth. What if one divine verse could reveal the infinite brilliance, love, and power of Sri Lalita Devi?
उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला.
Let's uncover the beautiful meaning of the second shloka of Sri Lalita Sahasranamam. This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi shining with the radiance of 1,000 rising suns, symbolizing limitless wisdom, divine consciousness, and the light that removes ignorance. Devi is depicted with 4 arms. In 2 hands, she holds a noose, representing the power of divine love that gently draws devotees closer. She also holds a gourd, symbolizing the strength to guide us away from negativity and towards the path of righteousness. The remaining 2 hands carry the sugarcane bow and flower arrows, which are described in the following shlokas. This verse reminds us that Sri Lalita Devi lovingly guides every sincere seeker with both compassion and strength. Meditating on this shloka inspires inner clarity, devotion, self control, and the courage to overcome life's challenges while moving closer to the divine. What if the weapons of Sri Lalita Devi were not meant to destroy enemies, but to transform our own mind and senses?
मनोरूपेक्षुको दण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Let's discover the beautiful meaning of this powerful shloka. In this verse, Sri Lalita Devi is described as holding a sugarcane bow, symbolizing the human mind. Her 5 flower arrows represent the 5 senses: hearing, touch, sight, taste, and smell. This teaches us that our mind and senses can either distract us or, when guided by Devi, become powerful tools for spiritual growth. The shloka also says that the radiant red glow of Ma fills and envelops the entire universe. This divine light reminds us that her presence is everywhere, sustaining all creation with love, energy, and compassion. By chanting and reflecting on this shloka, we pray that Sri Lalita Devi blesses us with mastery over our mind and senses, fills our hearts with divine wisdom, and leads us towards inner peace, devotion, and spiritual awakening. What if every divine ornament of Sri Lalita Devi carried a hidden spiritual message?
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता.
This beautiful verse reveals not just her divine beauty, but the qualities every devotee can cultivate. This shloka describes the radiant form of Sri Lalita Devi. Her beautiful hair is adorned with the fragrant flowers of Champaka, Ashoka, Punnaga, and Saugandhika, symbolizing purity, joy, and divine grace. She wears a magnificent crown decorated with sparkling Kuruvinda gemstones, reflecting her supreme authority and boundless spiritual brilliance. Every ornament of Devi Ma reminds us that true beauty shines from inner purity, wisdom, and compassion. Meditating on this verse fills the mind with peace and devotion while helping us focus on the divine presence of Sri Lalita Devi. It inspires us to cultivate noble qualities and surrender ourselves at her lotus feet, seeking her blessings for inner happiness, clarity, and spiritual growth. Have you ever wondered why every feature of Sri Lalita Devi is described as a symbol of divine wisdom and beauty?
अष्टमी चंद्र विभ्राजत दलिकस्थल शोभिता मुखचंद्र कलंकाभ मृगनाभिविशेषका.
Let's uncover the beautiful meaning of this sacred verse. This shloka beautifully describes the radiant forehead of Sri Lalita Devi. It shines like the soft glowing crescent moon on the 8th lunar day, symbolizing serenity, purity, and divine grace. The verse also tells us that Devi wears a musk mark on her forehead, resembling the dark spot seen on the full moon. This sacred ornament is not merely an adornment, it represents inner wisdom, auspiciousness, and the subtle mystery of the divine. Every detail of Ma's divine form reminds us that true beauty is the reflection of spiritual perfection. Meditating on this shloka fills the mind with peace, devotion, and positive thoughts. It helps us appreciate the divine qualities of Sri Lalita Devi and inspires us to cultivate purity, calmness, and inner wisdom in our own lives. With the blessings of Sri Lalita Devi, may your life be filled with peace, wisdom, and divine grace.